Welcome to our YouTube channel, Fifty. In this video, we are going to give you a research-based health benefits of ginger. Oh ginger, how pungent or nauseating is the aroma of this kitchen ingredient. But this herbal plant has long been used for its medicinal properties. Virtually every plant of this plant has a great health benefits, which most people tend to often overlook. The main aim of this video is to enlighten you on the numerous and mostly neglected health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a perennial herb native to China and India. It is obtained from the plant Zingiber officinale. It is one of the most revered medicine in Ayurveda. Ginger is often referred to as a root, but it's actually an underground stem called rhizome. Due to its strong and spicy aroma, ginger occupies an important place as a spice, delicacy, and even medicine. Apart from being used fresh, it is dried, powdered, pickled, or used in the form of juice or oil. Benefits of ginger for health. Ginger is considered the chest of medicine in Ayurveda due to its various health benefits. Its powerful therapeutic and preventive effects makes it usable in the treatment of various ailments. Treatment of respiratory problems. Due to its antihistaminic properties, ginger is effective in treating allergies. It inhibits the airway contraction and helps in stimulating the secretion of mucus. For centuries, it has been used as a natural remedy for cold and flu. A teaspoon of ginger juice and honey is effective in relieving the persistent cough and sore throat associated with cold. Ginger tea helps to get rid of congestion of the throat and the nose. A mixture of fresh ginger juice and fenugreek is helpful in curing asthma. Ginger is also found to be helpful in treating stomach flu or food poisoning. Ginger aids in digestion. Ginger is considered the best herb for digestion. Consumption of ginger encourages the gallbladder to release bile, which stimulates digestion. This encourages the assimilation of nutrients from the food we eat. In addition to this, ginger also provides relief from stomach cramps, diarrhea, and bloating, which is caused due to gastritis. We can take ginger in the form of tea or supplements to aid in digestion. Cancer. Several studies have demonstrated that ginger's ability to fight various types of cancer cells. Nausea induced due to chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a treatment recommended after cancer surgery to eliminate the presence of cancerous cell so that the chances of recurrence of this disease can be minimized. Ginger root supplements are helpful in reducing nausea induced by chemotherapy when administered along with other anti-vomiting medications. Treatment of morning sickness. Research have proved that ginger is an effective as vitamin B6 in treating morning sickness. Thus, it is often recommended to pregnant women preventing morning sickness. Anti-inflammatory. Ginger is very beneficial for treating chronic inflammation. It provides substantial relief from pain caused due to inflammation and even decreases swelling and morning stiffness. It successfully inhibits cyclooxygenase and 5-lipoxygenases, enzymes that cause inflammation. Ginger aids in the reduction of pain. The analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger are effective in reducing the pain and swelling in patients suffering from osteoarthritis of the knee, rheumatoid arthritis, and general muscle discomfort. In case of muscle strain, you can apply a mixture of warm ginger paste and turmeric for relief. Ginger helps in relieving menstrual cramps. Taking ginger at the beginning of the menstrual period can reduce the symptoms of menstrual pain in some women. Ginger helps in relieving migraine headaches. Ginger provides migraine relief as it can inhibit the prostaglandins from causing pain and inflammation in the blood vessels. Applying diluted ginger paste on the forehead provides relief from migraine. Last but not the least, ginger also aids in improving your immunity. During this pandemic of COVID-19, it is necessary for each and every individual to improve or boost your immunity. Thus, ginger helps as an immunity booster. A strong immune system can keep away all the diseases and infection at bay.